Hi, I'm Asia from BFlex, and today we'll see how to create shiny and sophisticated customizations with a super glossy finish using the BF Varnish Clear film. The Varnish series is available in 6 colors, including one that is completely transparent. This series is ideal for applications on cotton, synthetic or mixed fabrics, as well as in all cases where a fashionable application is desired. In fact, this special film with its super glossy appearance offers several advantages. It's extremely thin and very elastic on garments with a thickness of just 100 microns. It can be used on its own to create sophisticated designs with a highly sought-after subtle see-through effect. Or it can be pressed on top of other colored films to add shiny details and create highly creative designs. Let's now see how to customize a t-shirt using BF Varnish Clear on its own. Let's start by weeding the film. Here's our design ready to be applied. Pre-press the t-shirt to remove any moisture and wrinkles. Set the press to 145 degrees Celsius and place the design on the t-shirt. Press the graphic for 10 seconds and then remove the liner while it's still hot. To preserve the glossy finish of BF Varnish, it's very important never to press this film a second time. In fact, if you press it again, you'll completely dull your design. So for multicolour designs, we recommend always using BF Varnish as the final layer. Let's now see how to customize a t-shirt with BF Varnish Transparent applied over the 𝗩𝗡𝗏 series. Let's start by weeding the 𝗩𝗡𝗏 series and apply it at 140 degrees Celsius for 5 seconds. Then remove the liner while it's still hot. Now weed the BF Varnish Clear. Set the press to 145 degrees Celsius for 10 seconds. Place the film over the design, carefully centering all the elements and press for 10 seconds. Then remove the liner while it's still hot. Here's the result of BF Varnish Transparent, applied using 2 different techniques, on its own and on top of the 𝗩𝗡𝗏 series. What would you create with this heat transfer vinyl? We at BFlex can't wait to find out, so don't forget to follow us and tag us in your creations. Bye!